Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Moon. It's a real pleasure to connect with you in this intimate way. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your circumstance, feeling scarcity, lack, and limitations, feeling stress about work or school, feeling frustrated with relationships, lonely, depressed, if you feel like you've been real critical towards yourself, experiencing shame, guilt, self-hatred, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone, and that I certainly can relate to a lot of those. So at least there's one person out there who can relate, but probably there's millions, if not billions. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can experience something beyond the pain, the anxiety, the depression, coming back into trust, coming back into love, coming back into the abundance of opportunities that is already here. Getting comfortable, putting distractions to the side, putting the future to the side, letting go of the past. The past is past. New opportunities to create, to overcome, to laugh, to cry. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, becoming aware of not only your outer space, but the inner space. I want you to visualize with closed eyes that your mind is very spacious. Closing the eyes and feeling that your mind has just become pure space. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly. And I want you to visualize that your chest has become pure space. Open, vast, cool. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead, top of the head, back of the head. Feeling spacious within. Breathing into any tensions in the body, and as you exhale, relaxing. So trying that together now, taking a breath in. And a breath out. Breathing in. And exhale. Every cell in your body breathing in. And breathing out. letting go of distractions, letting go of the restlessness, breathing in peaceful energy, and exhale, feeling more relaxed. Relaxing your hands and feet. Breathing in love. And exhaling fear. Saying goodbye to worries, anxieties, and coming back to trust as you breathe in. And breathing out. Breathing in grounded energy. And exhale, feeling more balanced, more centered. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Relaxing the belly. You're safe to close the eyes, looking in, witnessing and welcoming all that's inside you, whether it be stress, criticism, negativity, embracing it all like old friends. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing the shoulders, feeling all the little muscles in the shoulders and the back relax. And I want you to visualize that a beam of light is shooting up your spine, causing you to be very aware, very present. Feeling that beam of light shooting up the spine all the way to the top of the head. Feeling light pour into your head, into the mind. Filling your mind with light, with conscious energy. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. Fill in the light. And exhale, relax. Breathing in light. Hold. And exhale, relax. Softening the muscles in your face, opening your heart. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. exhale. Natural for the mind to drift. Allowing your mind to drift as you continue to look in, relaxing the body, being aware of your presence. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. Coming back into your body. Having appreciation for who you are. Flaws and everything. The color for today is purple. The number is 1000. And the animal is a goose. Letting go of negativity, letting go of insecurities, letting go of fear, coming back into trust. So you become aware of your body, aware of your posture, aware of your space. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in awareness. And exhale, feeling aware, feeling present. Thank you so much for joining me across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resourcefulness. Sometimes it feels like we have no options, we have no choice. But recognize there are always options. There are always many opportunities. We just have to get creative, thinking outside of the box, approaching our problem from a different angle sometimes. So if you're stuck in a situation that feels very constricting, I encourage you to really start thinking outside of the box, how to approach this problem, to have fun with it, to recognize that there's no need to take this problem so serious. They're actually not that serious. Smiling at problems today, welcoming problems, and seeing that it's more of an opportunity than a problem. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.